They're really excited to get a home-cooked meal that's healthy and nutritious. Hi, I'm Chef Nicole Derseweh, celebrity plant-based chef in Los Angeles. In 2019, I started the Martha Project, a nonprofit organization that feeds plant-based meals in eco-friendly packaging to the houseless community of Los Angeles. I named it after my grandma, Martha Ann, because she was always helping support other members of the community and feeding everyone and expressing her love through food. She always used to play with me in the kitchen. We do early palate development. How does this thing taste when we add salt? How does it taste after we add heat? She had a gorgeous garden there, which we were involved with planting and harvesting, so it was always a really fun way for us to just play with vegetables as kids. I had such a great experience at Cordon Bleu. At that time, there were only 2 other female chefs that were in the program. That landed me in Los Angeles, and I started to build up my reputation as a chef while supporting myself as a waitress. And during this time, my grandma Martha Ann became sick again with cancer. I started to really want to research and understand how health and nutrition can really affect the things that are going on with the body. It was as if I, saw the light and I just couldn't unsee. So when we produce the Martha Project event, it takes about 3 days to culminate and make everything happen. We go shopping on a Wednesday, and then I have a small team of volunteers meet me back here at the house to start the chopping and the pre-prep, which will be finalized the next day. And then the day of the event, all the volunteers show up here at the house at 8 a.m. and we start building the boxes and putting the food together. After the food's all packaged and ready to go, I gather the volunteers in a circle and we meditate and bless the food. I ask them to start visualizing the recipients of that dish today, and we gear up and we hit the streets to go hand it out. So the kind of meals that we're handing out really vary based on the season and what we're able to get our hands on, but I love to do fun dishes. We've done chili lime stir fry, we've done veggie love burritos, we've had Mediterranean plates and full Thanksgiving spreads with cranberry sauce and sweet potatoes. Anything you can really imagine that's delicious, satiating, and also healthy. When we started this project, I was really surprised to see how many houseless people were really excited to receive plant-based meals. And they're really excited to get a home-cooked meal that's healthy and nutritious. I think it's really important to take care of the most vulnerable members of our society. If you really understand the fact that separateness is an illusion and that we all are interconnected, you understand that we're not okay until we're all okay. This project isn't about serving meals, it's about restoring dignity through human connection. When we go out there, I really encourage all of our volunteers to make eye contact, to connect with the people that we're serving, letting them know that we love them, we see them, and that we made this homemade meal just for them.
And she is the co-author of a beautiful, and the recipes look just so delicious, the Vegan Ketogenic Diet Book. We have Nicole on Zoom, but I'm crying so hard.
My wife cried because you're so amazing.
It's so beautiful, Nicole, what you do.
And Rachel, you're gonna make me cry.
I am hysterical crying. There is so much I want to talk to you about, but let's just start with the term houseless. Can you explain to people? I mean, it's fairly new to the vocabulary. Houseless versus homeless, and how many.
Totally.
I love that you brought up in the segment that there is no separation between us and our neighbors that are houseless.
Yeah. And Rachel, thank you for calling them our neighbors, because they are our neighbors. And the reason why we're saying houseless instead of homeless is saying you're not a part of us. You're other than society. This is not your home. And that's not true. America is their home. Planet Earth is their home. LA is their home. New York is their home. They just don't have a house. So they're houseless, but they are a part of us, and this is their home, and they are our neighbor. Unfortunately, we've seen a huge rise in the houseless community's numbers over the past year with COVID, so many people losing their jobs, and it literally could be your neighbor that was just living next door. It could be any one of us. And so in that, we've ramped up our efforts significantly, and we want to continue even stronger.
I have been a fan of Wickles Pickles. I'm a Wickles obsessed forever.
Pickles.
All of their pickled products, I've always been a fan, but now I am adoring of them because my friends at Wickles are giving you $10,000 for the Martha Project.
Oh my!